Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open the Dragon Ball Legends app and reach the home screen. Tap the menu button and choose Team Edit to manage your deck. Select the specific team you want to modify from your saved teams. Tap the character portrait whose cards you want to change. Then tap the card slot you want to replace to open the card selection window. Choose a new card and preview its stats and cost. Finally, tap Save or Confirm to lock your changes and return to the battle screen. When the card selection window appears, use the filter controls to narrow results. Filter by card color, rarity, and energy cost to find the best fit. Scroll the list and tap a card to view its full stats and special effects. Review the energy cost and cooldown to ensure it matches your team's strategy. Check any team restrictions or duplicate rules before swapping in a new card. Once satisfied, tap Confirm to apply the card to the chosen slot and return to Team Edit. After replacing cards, verify each slot visually in the Team Edit screen. Tap Save to apply all changes to the active team, otherwise changes will be lost. Consider locking or marking favorite cards to prevent accidental swaps during future edits. Return to the home screen and run a PvE mission or sparring match to test your new card combinations in combat. Observe how energy costs and cooldowns affect play and adjust cards again if needed. Repeat edits until your team performs consistently well in battle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.